Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am bringing you this very vampy look. Like, it is really like dark and sultry and smoky. It's really all that up in one. But we use pigments today, alright? So I got a request to do some pigments, and that's what I did. This yellow that you see is a pigment. It's real popping though, right? And then you got the highlights. Yes, it's real cute or whatever, right? Okay, but yeah, it turned out really cute, whatever, right? But if you want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, share, like, turn notifications, hit the notification button, hit that notification button, and subscribe, okay? And then you're gonna see me talk about this like somewhere in the video, but I want to start adding topics to my makeup tutorials instead of just sitting here doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so do me a favor down below in the comment section. Tell me what type of topics you want to talk about. All right, or do you just want me to talk about, or you want to know something about me? Okay, give me all that good stuff. All right, but that's it, and we'll get into this look. Okay, yes. Okay, so the palette we're using today is the Morphe 39A Badescu Gray palette, and then the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to use some pigments, well, just really one pigment and a little bit of glitter. Alright, so we're just going to go in with a transition color from the 39A palette called Sunder, if you have this palette. Okay. Okay, and for the concealer, well, to set my eyes, I used the Makeup Revolution concealer. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this all over. I'm gonna pat it all over first and then go to blend it. Okay, next we're going into orange from the Zulu palette, and I didn't put it over here because I had used like a burnt orange, but I didn't expect for it to turn out so dark, so I didn't get a chance to, put the orange in there, but we're gonna do it on this side. I don't know, it probably won't peek through that much. I'm gonna hope it is, but if not, and that's okay. And the other day, I tried to do a no-cut crease look. And look, you know, some people are multi-talented. They can do all aspects of makeup. That's not me, okay? I can't do that. What y'all see me do is what I do. Y'all see, I never do nothing too different. Like, go outside my comfort zone. Like, do all the winged out looks and all these double cut creases. I can't do all that, okay? I tried before and it's a mess all the time. So this is what I do, alright? But I'm gonna try again. I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna try again, but I'm gonna just use all matte shadows, and that may work a little different. But if not, yeah, I can't do it. Okay, I just can't. But I think I kept that look on for all of 3 minutes, and I was like, no, it's trash. Okay, so I got that orange blended in enough, as much as possible anyway. I could probably bring it up a little more. Okay, so next for the crease, I'm going into, this color is called Evolve. It's like a brown And the other one is Vibrant. It's a burnt orange. Okay. Next, I'm taking Frame, which is just a dark brown. But what I'm going to do is take black and put it on top of it. So you're not going to be able to see the brown really. It's just kind of a base. Okay, so I said I wanted to start adding like topics in with our makeup tutorials, because just sitting here telling people, okay, well, you get this color and you blend here, you get that color and you place it here and start blending, and you cut the crease and you put your lip color and all this other stuff. Like, I'm getting real sick of it, right? I don't even like watching makeup tutorials anymore just because it's so repetitive and I don't like doing them. It just gets tiring. You just sitting here doing the same thing. So I'm thinking, you know, I can add topics in. I can ask y'all like what you want to talk about. It's something, okay, something besides me sitting here with the 1, 2, 3 steps, right? Because I have what, 430 subscribers almost. I'm like at 425 or something like that. Something close to that, okay? And I don't understand how I'm only getting like 40 views at the most. Even with that, that takes a whole week to get there. So it's like, where the rest of you, okay? So I said I'm gonna try to switch it up, do something different. And then if that don't work, you know, I'm gonna give myself to the end of the summer of like next year. And if my channel still hasn't went nowhere, well, this just gonna be it for this little YouTube thing. Like, I tried. It's not for everybody. It may not be for me, okay? Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with the brush to add the brown on it, just to blend out this black, the edges of it, because I didn't want the crease to be like really, really dark. Okay, so the pigment I use is yellow. It's actually like a yellow shimmer. And I got this from Cutie Pops when she had she has bundle deals all the time. And I think I got about 16 or 20 something pigments of different colors. So we're going to use this. It's one of them pearl pigments. That's what you call them. I'm going to take the e.l.f. glue, the e.l.f. glitter glue, for the adhesive for it to stick, because I tried to do it just with the concealer down and it didn't stick well. I don't know if I was using it wrong or what, but it works better for me if I use glitter glue, right? And I'm going to take this in sections. How cute that is. And I have been looking for a yellow shadow, and I didn't know I had one, because I actually thought this was like a, I knew it was a pigment, but I thought it was like one of the chalky ones, the ones that look like eyeshadow. But nope, it's Miss Pearl, and I'm so happy that it is. So now I definitely have to do an all yellow eye. Yes. Okay, and this is giving like a little Halloween vibe or whatever, even though Halloween is over. But it don't matter because this is cute anyway. And I'm so glad Halloween over, because I got so sick and tired of looking at them damn Halloween looks. Like, I commend the people and appreciate them. They can do all that Halloween FX stuff, right? It's cute or whatever. But after 2 days, I feel like, okay, I'm sick of looking at y'all. Like, can we get back to the normal makeup looks? Thank you very much. All right. Okay, so for highlighter, we'll take Trophy Wife from Fenty Beuty, and I'm going to take the Diamond Glow Powder and Gold Digger from Artist Couture. Okay, so for the lips, I'm taking the MAC Aaliyah lipstick, and no, this is a lip liner, and Nevermore, and the NYX lip gloss, the duo chromatic lip gloss, and Cocktail Party. So I decided I'm no longer wearing lipstick. I quit because I wear nudes anyway, so it's like, well, what's the point? So over the weekend, I politely took all my lipsticks out of my tray, put them in cosmetic bags, and put my lip glosses in my tray. Okay, like I'm not buying any more lipsticks for what? I don't like wearing lipstick anyway. Actually, like I'm really more of a gloss type of girl, so I'm just not gonna buy the lipstick anymore. Okay, I like to make my life real easy. Okay, and I'm just taking one of the Colourpop lip glosses. This is in Wham. I think I should have did a brown lip liner instead, but that's okay.